channel. This makeup is one of the most gorgeous makeup looks from the 90s Bollywood, so I am so excited. I love 90s makeups. Aishwarya was the fairy tale. Let's recreate this look together using this shade first. This is from the Makeup Revelation Forever Flawless palette. I am focusing this shade right into my crease, not blending it everywhere. I am taking this deeper shade. It's kind of brown and burgundy at the same time. So I'm blending it out like the earlier shade. So I'm now using this dark brown shade from the Colourpop Wild Child palette. I use this palette in every single YouTube video, but it's just so good. So with a flat brush, I'm placing it right in my crease. Retouching the brown shadow. Let's recreate a fat and short winged eyeliner 90s style. I was so nervous I couldn't film the eyeliner, but I do like how it has turned out. Especially this one is so pretty and I need to fix this one a little. So we are basically doing a wedding glam. So the base is gonna be full coverage and matte using my favorite full coverage foundation from Juvia's Place. One pump of this foundation is a lot. Looking like a ghost now, but where is hyperpigmentation, acne scars, all covered. Setting my face with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder. Warming up my skin with a bronzer. I would do a cool toned contour for this makeup as it's 90s, but I feel like Aishwarya's makeup is pretty warm toned. So I will first apply a peach blush, then a light pink blush. It is the Wet n Wild blush in Mellow Wine. Now I will use the Colourpop blush in the shade Truffle Shuffle, my favorite blush. I feel like a princess every time I wear this dress. So pretty. I took a bunch of brown and pink lipsticks. Let's see how we do the lip. So first I'm lining with this brown lip liner, one of my favorites, really good. This lip combo gives the most 90s in this entire makeup. I love it so much. They used to keep the lower lash line quite simple in the 90s, so I'm just using this shade right here. This makeup is so pretty. I just have to add some highlighter, a very little, because 90s didn't have highlighter. So a little touch of the Colourpop Out of Quartz. The formula is so good, it just melts into the skin like a cream highlighters or liquid highlighters. Okay guys, so yeah, I feel very pretty. I feel like I slayed. Show you some pose. Guys, please let me know if you want me to recreate more characters or recreate makeup of other celebrities. I would love to create those, and let me know if you enjoyed this one because I did love it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.